Hi everyone. So you've probably seen the first slide here for today's lesson, plant and animal cells, and hopefully you read the learning targets. So this lesson might just be a review for you from middle school concepts. So you want to make sure at the end of this lesson you can identify those structures in plant and animal cells or eukaryotic cells: nucleus, cell membrane, cell wall, mitochondria, vacuole, chloroplast, and ribosomes. And you've got a little bit of an understanding what they do in cells. As we continue in the course, we will go back to these and we will learn a lot more detail about how they work inside of cells and then how they work together inside of cells. So right now, like I said, you just want to be able to identify them and kind of have an understanding of what they do. And then the second learning target, I can explain the differences in plant and animal cells, including functions and structures. So being able to look at a description or see a picture or model of a plant cell and know that that's a plant cell and know why it's a plant cell. Same thing with animal cells, right? Being able to look at a picture or description and knowing it's an animal cell and give some evidence as to why. You're going to need your digital notebook pages for today's lesson right off the bat. So make sure you've gone to that link in Canvas. It forces you to make a copy. So your copy will probably say copy of 111 plant and animal cells. We're going to start off by looking at two pictures of cells under a microscope. And I'm calling them microscope A and microscope B. And I'm going to have you make a claim about those cells and support that claim with evidence. So you should have watched the video already. It's a commercial where a little girl makes a claim about her dad, and then she supports that claim with evidence. So the claim is her dad is an alien, and I can
I have evidence.
get this. She says her dad's an alien. He speaks a weird language. He drinks green stuff. So these things are her evidence to support that. He says he's from Albuquerque, I think. And of course, he drives a spaceship. So those are all pieces of evidence that she uses to support what she said. Her dad is an alien. So you're going to do the same type of thing. You are going to make a claim about these two cells. Which one is a plant cell and which one is an animal cell? So there's microscope B. So here's where you're going to need your notebook. Quick refresher. Remember, there's a tutorial about this on our homepage. To add these pages to your digital notebook, here's my notebook. Here's the first slide. You need to go all the way down to the last slide. Make sure that last slide is highlighted if you want them at the end, right? And file, import slides. Then you want to choose what slides to import. So your recents are right here, or you could search here. You could type in, yours again probably says copy of. You could type in copy of 111. Mine comes up right here, 111 plant and animal cells. So I'd highlight that and then select. When the slides come up, you want to select all of them. You want all of them. There should be 11 here. And then import slides. And when you do that, it will add them to the bottom of your notebook. So you can type, you can move them around, you can do whatever you need to do because this is your notebook. And this is what you'll turn into Canvas at the end of this lesson. So first thing I want you to do is make a claim. Microscope A is a plant or animal cell. Just highlight and type in there, plant or animal. Microscope B is a plant or animal cell. And when we come back, I'll help you with where to gather evidence to support the claim you just made.